telling no flashing, not even dulling the passion. Lyric assassin, they be like, why you procrastinating? Why you still over here rapping? Who the hell asking? I don't keep up with the fashion. Maybe that's something I lack, and it's a distraction when it's something everlasting. So I'm still reaching to grab it. It's harder for me to get past it. Unravel the tree from the plastic, and all they wanna do is smoke and drink until it finally turns into a habit. What the hell happened? Why you surprised? Open up your eye a little wider. Can't relate or comprehend. Something must be wrong with your medulla oblongata. Water dripping like I'm Boucher. Talking sweat from this hard day. Grinding hard till I get success that I'm gonna be. No Beyonce. Everybody getting on these days. I be looking like Houseway. If you ask me, that attire look like something out of child's play. Scroll to my feet, all I see is bad news, and the whole world's going nuts like cashews. In the land that we come from, the cash rules. Searching for attention for somebody to gas you. Giving your opinion like who asked you. I'ma push through like I have to. All these enemies surrounding me. Shall we proceed with this battle? Yeah. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Please stay away from the demons. Little with stating the facts. Most of the people misleading. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I don't mind getting the fame. They say if you get it, you change. Put some respect on my name. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. So much hate that you mad at yourself. I'm trying to gain all the wealth. If I don't get it, then who else? Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. You trying to even the score. You know that I want it more. I'm trying to kick in the door. Yeah, gotta get it, it's a must. Down so long that it's enough. But who do I trust? They be like, I never see you. You always end up in the cut. But what do you want? All of my problems in one. It's weighing down by the ton. But I cannot run. Run away off in the shadow. The enemy wanna see me on the gravel. I can't quit till my last breath. So much things I ain't have yet. This little light of mine, I'ma shine. Know it's going down like the sunset. Gotta get it poppin' each and every way. Never stopping each and every day. Say that I don't spend enough time and you want me now, but I'ma let her wait. Turn you down, that's a big mistake. Now you at my neck like the twist of fate. You don't understand the words I say or the way I think. No, you can't relate. Everybody in the panic like we on our last days. They wanna divide it, everyone riot. The world that we living is insane. Man, goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. You tryna even the score. You know that I want it more. I'm tryna kick in the door. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I don't mind getting the fame. They say if you get it, you change. Put some respect on my name. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. So much hate that you mad at yourself. I'm tryna gain all the wealth. If I don't do it, then who else? Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Please stay away from the demons. Little with stating the facts. Most of the people misleading. Holy one telling no flashing. Not even dulling the passion. Lyric assassin. They be like, why you procrastinating? Why you still over here rapping? Who the hell asking? I don't keep up with the fashion. Maybe that's something I lack, and it's a distraction when it's something everlasting. So I'm still reaching to grab it.
It's been a crazy year, man. Shit.
It's been so long since I've been gone. I needed some time alone. I'm not really social, I told you I stick to myself, but you believe it's something that's wrong. Major problem, I'ma solve every one of them. Making music, now what more do you want from them? They try to destroy you, it's not me, they loyal. You was nothing to fear, so don't run from them. Don't run from it, conquer it, kill them or slaughter it. Show you my good side, but now it's the opposite. Getting so fed up, watch for the setup. Catch me asleep, I'ma need to get up and get up and get up.
People need to just suck it up and understand that rap ain't the same no more. I don't have to spit a code 16 no more. Bro, if I want to make some turn, bro, if I want to say, yeah, the whole track, and it turned up people because the beat turned, I'm making a song called Yeah.
You know it's money to make, it got you acting brand new, yeah, of course you would say. Naked the people all around me, hope I forfeit today. And I don't really feel like walking in this corporate today. 8 minutes late on my schedule, it's the metro to blame. Trying to better my life when nothing was ever the same. And then I wasted my time from chasing the fame and these riches. I swear to God I'm the sickest, my opinion fit description. What the hell is he sipping on that ain't good for you? I swear to commitment and give her something good for. I'm fantasizing on all these pictures, look at us. Or love is lust, I take the photos and ripped it up. I need a peace of mind, moment of silence, deserted island. I kept it 100, but you always on negative balance. Them haters hate when they congratulate and step back and childish. Now I don't need assistance, I hold it down cause I got it. How the hell am I supposed to catch a buzz when I barely be on social media? And I don't really mix well with this new style that I'm hearing every time I listen to the media. So what am I to do? Make a catchy track, even if it's whack, with a dope hook to keep you coming back, 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 back. How the hell am I supposed to catch a buzz when I barely be on social media? And I don't really mix well with this new style that I'm hearing, trying to paint a perfect picture just for you to see the vision through my words. Get them kids something to learn instead of jewelry and drugs, finding something to burn. Concern, respect you earn, I'm next, my turn. And I ain't got no tolerance for being second or third, I'm first. I don't think nobody's iller than me, I searched. I'm the kid that they've been waiting to see since birth, Get it, my personality split it. You look at me, but it's obvious you don't know what you getting. Motivation don't stay till it's driven. Seeing results and that's fulfillment. Simplify my lyrics is better for hearing. Switching up the image, you can make a killing. But how the hell am I supposed to catch a buzz when I barely be on social media? And I don't really mix well with this new style that I'm hearing every time I listen to the media. So what am I to do? Make a catchy track, even if it's whack, with a dope hook to keep you coming back. Stuff
like that, some of which you don't even really understand what he's saying.
This is overdue, back on schedule. They don't believe me, like tell me is it true? I'm the living proof, I show you a side that you ain't never knew. They like who are you? If I ever said that's what I'ma do, then that's what I'ma do. You're killing me with all this negative energy. Enemy, thought you was really a friend of me. Won't you evacuate from this vicinity? Trying to make dollars, I hope that it's plenty and plenty and plenty. Got a job full of pennies, do it all for the city. I want the doll like Infinity, back again like a trilogy. Long time for they figure me out, never doubt. Talk slit, watch him out. Renegade, I don't need a vouch. I don't do this only for the clout. I'ma tell you what I'm all about. None your business, I'm independent. I'm so close, I'm like 4 inches to the goal. I swear I can feel it. One day I'm gonna be. I fell for your love, it's only because you only wanted to be. Some days I wish I can get away, go very far and be. I've been through the dark, I'm finding my spark. It's time that I turn my light. It's time that I turn my light. Don't stop. I do it for the hip hop. I've been patient, I'm waiting, ain't nobody safe because now that I'm pissed off. You hate on my craft and expecting to pass on a line that you don't cross. I've been working for 24 hours, I'm back at the job like I'm on call. I would just stay up all night, make sure my lyric is tight. That's why I have more conversations in my head than I do in real life. That's why I need it precise, ain't no stopping, accomplish the goals in my life. That's why I do like what Earth, Wind, and Fire said, keep your head to the sky. That's why overdo it so you won't have to do it over. Get out my way so I moved it over. Ready for war, I'm a proven soldier. All that I've been through will soon be over. Battered and beaten, they wanted me weak, and I'm chasing my dream, and instead of me sleeping, they crawling and creeping, they trying to delete me, but you won't defeat me, and I know that one day I'm gonna be. I fell for your love, it's only because you only wanted to be. Some days I wish I can get away, go very far and be. I've been through the dark, I'm finding my spark. It's time that I turn my light. It's time that I turn my light. You're killing me with all this negative energy. Enemy, thought you was really a friend of me. Won't you evacuate from this vicinity? Trying to make dollars, I hope that it's plenty. You're killing me with all this negative energy. Enemy, thought you was really a friend of me. Won't you evacuate from this vicinity? Trying to make dollars, I hope that knock me off of my grind. That's irritating, they doubt me, but that's the way that this is my time. They irritating, phone vibrating, she blowing up my line. That's irritating, I need a cake, thinking I'ma be the one to save ya. Got me mistaken, that's heartbreak. I'm stone cold, my flow hot though. Front lock, break through the back door. Opportunity, let me in, I'ma go hard, break more skin. Try to knock it down, get hurt, boy. I ain't worried about it, don't trip with that. If it's your song, make it flow for me. She got ass with some hip on that. I'm looking all this damn work that I put in on the drive and know you shouldn't.
Don't you know that the joy of the day is the day that we all be proud to say.
I wanna run away, unlock the damn gate. I mean, really, how much pressure can a man take? New year, new beginning for a clean slate. You reveal what is real, but it seemed fake. Haven't talked to a single soul in several days. Ain't like you really care about me anyway. Cop a bottle, I'ma go and drink the Henny straight. Intoxicated, so it's hard for me to see it straight. Hold up, slow down, drink so many browns. Swimming pool full of liquor, I'm going to drown. Just like with Brandy, you wanna be down. When I look up and look round, like where are you now? Try so hard to make you proud of me. A decent person, at least I try to be. I wrote this, I may never share the song. You can just blame my anxiety. You ain't gotta suffer, but you gotta stay strong. Gotta be tough, gotta say fuck them. It's all in your head, nothing to fear. Dry all your tears, they will only understand if it was them. Look in the mirror, you're too hard on yourself. Fighting depression and I can already tell. Fighting these demons, you must be going through hell. I'm reaching my hand out if you needed some help. You needed some help, I need it myself. Lost in my mind, I think a lot. I try to be humble, them haters throwing a couple shots. They want me to rumble, stirring drama up in the pot. I'm running on empty, got me giving up all I got. Take me back to October, where the weather is cooler. Summer weather is brutal, men wanna be single. Girls acting like voodoo, working with that magic. Them habits that you can't resist, living like the fastest. Take me back to 08, yeah that year was the greatest. We recorded in basement, dreams of being famous. Nothing could retain us, we was entertainers. Sometimes I play back on the vids to see how much we changed. Something often I think about, take me back. Something I must figure out by myself. My head been up in the clouds, one day I'll reach a star. I better get it now, I may not see tomorrow.
No, I tell myself I don't need help. Sometimes I feel like